Today we're going to get the O2 sensor plugged in. We're going to get full of coolant. We're going to get this hose plugged off because all this hose goes to is the reservoir, so it's literally just a filling hose anyway.
Eventually it will get
a reservoir.
Yeah. Just this is for now.
I have to order a special fitting for my reservoir. Nothing I have, and nothing I can find local will fit it. Whoa!
Well, you're just gonna have to let that go.
Did this already have water in it?
It's very small. But yeah, it probably already had some water in it.
This is my very special custom ordered plug.
Yeah.
I got coolant all the way up to here.
Oh, it's gonna come out.
Yeah.
Better just get ready to make a big mess.
This is where we put the O2 sensor. If you can see it in there. It goes right here. It doesn't touch anything back here. So it can get as hot as it wants to get. I'll have to tighten it up. And also there's enough length there that it shouldn't throw any codes with it. It should get a good reading. Shouldn't.
We know how shouldn't works.
Yeah, famous last words. It'll be alright. O2 sensor. I mean, it's definitely needed.
Looks like it's gonna be fun to try to tighten.
Huh?
So it looks like it's gonna be fun to try to tighten.
Yeah, it looks like it to me too.
Take the exhaust off, tighten that up.
I need to grab it. I think I see the O2 wire. It's just, I think it's stuck on something down there.
That's pretty close, probably.
Yeah, very close. We'll go ahead and get the hole cut in the hood now. Woo, she's bad.
You really cut it that fast?
It's already trying. So all we gotta get through is just this little part down here. That's what's left. It's showing a little bit of fuel now. Just bare. I mean, it's still on E, but it's higher than it was. It's not bottomed out.
That's the auto lights. Don't do it. Oh man, you think it'll mess the windshield wiper up?
It may crack the window if it gets real cold.
Oh man, dude, are we on a flat?
No, they all got air, but it doesn't matter. It's air. Get there.
That is on the outside of the car though. Seems to drive good still. Something ain't shut,
yeah. Yeah, it's smoothing out now, see?
Oh, I know that this front tire up here is brand new. The two back ones are not that old. That one's the oldest one.
Circulating through the.
I'd leave it off.
I want to get it circulating through the.
Oh well.
Heater port.
Well, we don't know what's in these vents. It's been sitting for 4 years.
It was blowing up. It'll quiet down too once I put the wastegate on.
Well, turn the headlights off. That was the first time it drove in 4 years. We got a little smoke. Let's see what's doing it. It's probably just burning old stuff off. It's probably burning a bird nest out of there or something. You hear the exhaust cooling off? I do smell burning rubber. Or burning something that's sat there for a long time.
That is straight up an electrical wire.
Well, the only hot things are back there.
That is burning insulation. Like an electrical burning. But the only thing that could be burning is the
this part
wire.
up here doesn't get hot enough. Back, it'd be just right there, around that turbo.
This ain't hot.
I know. After that starts the car, that's barely doing anything.
Yeah.
Well, you hear it tinging?
That exhaust is going to be higher up.
Yeah,
too.
that'll be up here.
Almost flush, but like this far below the head.
It's gonna.
And it'll be in the middle.
This is terrible. She runs.
What she said.
It runs and drives after 4 years.
And it goes, eek.
Yeah, it's got a few little issues we still have to work through. We got the gas tank issue solved. I guess it just had some blockage. Hopefully that doesn't clog up the fuel pump. If it does, we can take the gas tank out in like 7 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, you over here, you're going to take you out.
But it runs and drives after 4 years.
Does
It just
run and drive. The tires, they had a little bit of flat spots in them just from sitting. They seem mostly to get most of that out.
plus they do need some air. That may help them too.
Yeah, probably all of them probably need a little bit of air. The next video will probably be the taillight getting fixed. If it's not the taillight getting fixed, it'll be this car getting tuned. After I drive around for a couple weeks and make sure it doesn't have any more issues. I don't want to put boost to it until...
It gets a little bit of daily driving in it.
Yeah.
But it runs good. And guess what? No check engine light was on.
No check engine light.
Because all the sensors are hooked back up like they're supposed to be. It just doesn't. The intake air temperature sensor's hooked up like it's supposed to be. So
Yeah, everything's...
it's getting a good reading on everything. There was no check engine light on this.
It's got a new... Which I don't know if y'all seen it, but I put a new IAT sensor and I put it in the charge pipe on this side of the intercooler. You know, the engine side of the intercooler.
It's not going to be very happy once some PSI gets in there and it warms up that intake air temperature.
No, but it'll be alright. Does it seem to have any boost leaks?
We don't know that though. But you did put your hand on the intake
And it killed
side
it.
and it about killed the motor and about sucked your hand into it.
Does it seem to have any boost leaks? So,
Yeah, next video will be of this getting tuned.
more than likely.
He says a couple weeks. I bet it's not that
right
long.
here is working, by the way.
Yeah, that's been like that since I got it.
I know. And it's actually bent right here too. Somebody hit some road debris or something and it bounced off her.
But yeah, it drives.
Yeah.
Next video will be of the tuning.